Unlock the power of multiplication in Excel to crunch numbers like a pro. Let's start with multiplying two individual numbers directly. Imagine you need to calculate the cost of multiple items in an empty cell. You'll begin by typing the equals sign. This tells Excel you're about to enter a formula. Then, you'll type the first number you want to multiply, followed by the asterisk symbol, which is your multiplication operator. Finally, you'll type the second number and press enter. See, Excel instantly gives you the product, but what if your numbers are already in cells? This is where cell references shine. Instead of typing the numbers, you click on the cell containing the first number. Excel automatically inserts its reference into your formula. Then, type your asterisk for multiplication, and click on the cell containing the second number. Press enter, and again, Excel calculates the result, using the values from those specific cells. Now, let's tackle multiplying entire columns. Suppose you have a list of quantities in one column and their corresponding prices in another. To find the total cost for each item, let's say quantities are in column B and prices in column C. Starting from row 2, you'll go to an empty cell in a new column, like D2. You'll start with your equals sign, then click on the quantity cell B2, type your asterisk, and click on the price cell C to press enter. To apply this to every row without retyping, you'll use Excel's Autofill feature. Click on the cell where you just performed the first multiplication. You'll see a small square at the bottom right corner of that cell. Click and drag this square down to the last row of your data. Excel intelligently copies the formula, adjusting cell references for each row, giving you all your total costs in seconds. Mastering multiplication in Excel is a fundamental skill that opens up a world of possibilities for your data analysis and budgeting. Keep practicing, and you'll be multiplying with confidence in no time.